Welcome back to the Friendly Fox. As you can tell, I'm in my kitchen again today because I have something that's really quick and easy to make. I'm going to make homemade butter. So let's get creative. You have to do this with 35% cream, and you want it cold, really cold. Like maybe put it in the freezer for 5 minutes before you start the project. And you just pour it into the jar. A nice clean mason jar. 2 cups of whipping cream. This is the really hard part. You can stand there and watch, but it's going to take me a few minutes. And you have to shake this until you think it's not working. And then all of a sudden it starts to come together. But it is a good at least 5 minutes. My arms are getting sore. It's starting to turn into butter. We're almost there. And after about 5 minutes, this is what it'll start to look like. It's pure liquid, and then in there is the butter. Yeah, we're ready. Now that it's all separated and there's real butter in there, I'm going to strain the liquid off. I like salted butter. I'm going to take this and turn it into salted butter. Two cups of butter and probably a teaspoon of salt. Right now all I'm doing is mixing the salt into the butter, and every so often when I see that there's excess liquid on the parchment paper, I'm pouring it off. And that's what the butter's going to look like. Now I'm just going to pack this into the butter bell. With a butter bell, once you get it all full like that, this part has water in it, and you turn the butter upside down into the water, and it'll stay fresh on your counter for a couple of weeks. That's about 30 minutes to get this done because I made so much. If you want to just try this because you're having a dinner party or just something small, the smaller amount of whipping cream will go faster. So if you only put in like a 1/4 cup or a 1/2 cup, you'd probably get it done in about 10 minutes. And of course you would use a smaller jar as well then. And that's how you make homemade butter. Thank you for joining me.